Gail got another one. That line fell. It came to the boat, and I said, okay, I saw that. That's the time.
Shaking his head.
Huh? That's the time.
Shaking his head.
That's the time. I'll get the net.
You get the net? I'll reel him slow.
We're meant slow. That's a good fish. That'd be an alligator bass.
Cigar.
Yeah, I feel big. Oh!
Is it a gar?
No. She's still on there.
Here he is. Holy fuck! Holy!
Bring him up.
I gotta hold him. I gotta get a picture of him holding him. How am I gonna do that?
Just hold him, make sure they're turned in. Bring him up here a little bit more.
Holy shish kebab!
Holy shish kebab.
I caught my gar! He's gone, he's going. Get up here. Get up here. You go. Here he comes. I swore on you.
Huh?
I swore on the camera. I caught my gar.
Okay. You gotta bring your nose up this way.
Oh
man.
Oh man. I saw it though. He's huge.
Oh. That's a good 60 pounds in the desert.
Whoa. The gar broke my got off.
How do you got a picture of that?
Yeah, my camera's right here too.
Huh?
My camera's right here too. I thought about it. You want that off or?
Yeah, good one. Yeah, I looked at that line, feel like that, and the line was slack. Came in. I saw that. That's why I got up and started reeling.
You want the camera off?
Huh?
The camera?
Yeah,
The back button or the front one?
that was the top one.